For a level order binary tree traversal, it has the most complicated code, but the actual traversal itself is by far the easiest to perform. In this video, we won't go over the code and how it works, but we will perform the traversal just to understand the order that the nodes are visited. So very simply, for a level order traversal, you start from the root's level and you visit every single node from left to right. So it will go something like this in order to just visualize it really quick. So with that being said, let's perform the traversal. We will start at the root node A. Then on the second level, we will go left to right. So we'll visit H, and then on the right, we'll visit B. Then on the next level, we have G, and then I, and then C. So we'll visit G, we'll visit I, and we'll visit C. And then on the final level, we have F, E, D from left to right. So we'll visit F, and then we'll visit E, and then we'll visit D. And the traversal is complete.